You see a 15 by 15 shaped pipe which I'm going to use for a milling machine main frame. Well, I've made this metal frame which will serve as a base for the milling machine and this platform. The platform is made of 6mm thick metal. It is very firm. I will fix the milling cutter to it. Look guys, I removed all the plastic parts and trimmed this plastic insert. Now the milling machine perfectly matches the pad, and this is quite a significant advantage for me. This thing here is a sleeve that holds the cutter. It already pokes out of the table surface. It means that now I can safely change the cutter right from here. Now I'm about to begin working on a mechanism that will raise and lower the milling machine. It will include this M10 pin and an old Soviet drill. Look, what a funny mechanism I made. You might have already noticed that I needed a drill to turn the vertical rotation into horizontal. As I told you before, I want my cutter to rise when I turn the knob from the side, under the table, as I find it more convenient than from above. This drill has one very big advantage, a gearbox inside. So one revolution of this main shaft with the knob is reduced in 2.5 times here. In other words, this gearbox reduces the speed, and it comes very convenient for more accurate cuts. I fastened this nut to the casing as close as possible to this sleeve on purpose. The thing is that it is not the best cutter, and if I had placed this nut somewhere else in this area, or on the opposite side on the same sleeve at the bottom, then the cutter would have just leaned on the side and struggled to move along the guide bar. That's it guys, the milling lift is ready. Now I'm going to test it so you could check how it works. And I guess it is enough for today because I'm tired already. I have plenty of work to be done, a lot of editing. Thank you very much for watching, stay subscribed for a new video. Thank you, have a good one.